Open MagFone Location Changer and click Start, then connect your phone to the computer using either USB or Wi-Fi. Tap the Pokémon Go logo to enter the spoofing panel. MagFone offers 5 GPS change modes. The first is Change Location Mode. Simply enter the coordinates or drag the map pin to any spot, then click Start Modifying to teleport instantly. The second is the 2-spot route. Choose 2 points on the map and click Start Moving. The software will generate a virtual journey between them, and during this route you can still interact with your buddy and catch Pokémon. Next is Multi-Spot Mode, which lets you design a more complex path with several stops along the way. There's also Jump Teleport Mode, which simulates instant jumps between multiple locations. Finally, you can use joystick mode for flexible GPS control, moving in any direction and customizing the speed. With MagFone, joining Gigantamax battles or other raids becomes very convenient, and you won't face ban issues. You can still earn rewards and catch Pokémon as usual. Another option is 3U Tools. Before starting, make sure developer mode is enabled on your device and keep the screen unlocked. Launch 3U Tools, go to the Toolbox tab, then click Virtual Location. Use the map to drop a pin on the spot you want to appear in, and click Modify Virtual Location. 3U Tools will attempt to push that GPS data to your iPhone. iSpoofer is also a known GPS spoofing tool for iOS, but it requires extra steps. First, delete Pokémon Go from your device. Go to the official iSpoofer website and tap Download. Tap Install to allow the installation, but do not click on ads that appear on the web page. If the download does not start, try again. Once installed, open Pokémon Go and you may see the message Untrusted Enterprise Developer. To fix this, open Settings, tap General, then VPN and Device Management. Select the Enterprise app and tap Trust twice to confirm. After setup, you can run iSpoofer with Pokémon Go. However, keep in mind that this method often runs into different issues, so use it cautiously.